My cleaners are professional, well trained, highly motivated. But every so often I like to come and do an inspection after I clean, just to make sure that everything is nice and clean and in tip-top shape. Looks good so far. Alright, let's see. Looks good so far. Let's see. Okay. Alright, looking good so far. Let's give it the wipe test. Very clean. Alright, let's see what's happening in this room. These ladies never fail me. They always do a wonderful job. Aha, except that mirror needs to be straightened. Alright, got it. That's better. Alright. Let's check out the bathroom. Let's see what's up. Nice and clean, nice and clean. Alright. Let's see what's happening on the caddy. Alright, the soap is there. Shower head nice and clean. Alright, let's check out the master king bedroom. Alright, wow, that bed looks so sharp. I'm afraid to touch it, it might cut me. Man, that's so corny. Let's see if we have our safe intact. Safe is nice, enough hangers. Let's see if we have our iron on the board. It is there. Awesome. Well, ladies, wonderful job as usual. Wow, it's nice and clean. I can see myself. Thank you, ladies.